Welcome! The following video will show you how to use your ELAN Touch Panel, or the ELAN 8 app, to create TV channel favorites. Note, if you're using the ELAN 8 app and your mobile device is in portrait orientation, your menu format and button locations may be slightly different from what you see in this video. Simply rotate your device to a landscape orientation to resemble the format shown in this video. Before you can add your TV channel favorites, make sure your ELAN integrator adds your TV meta provider and TV channels. Once you're in the user interface, tap the gear icon in the lower right corner, and then type in your passcode to get to your settings page. Next, select TV channel groups. To create a new set of TV channel favorites, tap the New button. You will then be prompted to enter a name for this new TV channel favorites group. In this example, I'm going to type the name Laney. You'll notice the name of your new channel group appears on screen now. Select your new group from the left-hand list, and then select all the TV channels you want to add to this group. Your channel selections will be automatically saved. If you want to remove a channel from one of your groups, simply select the group from the left-hand list, and then tap the channel a second time to deselect the channel and remove it from the group. You can also tap Rename to rename this group, or tap Delete if you want to delete the entire TV channel group. To return to the main menu, tap the Back button. Then tap the ELAN icon. When you're ready to stream one of your favorite TV channels to one of your TVs, simply tap the Media tab, locate the desired room, and tap the right arrow button. Select your cable provider from the source list, and then you'll see the remote controls for your cable appear on screen. Tap the list icon, located in the upper right corner, and then locate and select your newly created favorites list from the left-hand list. You'll see the programming schedules for your favorite channels on screen, and you can tap the channel to begin streaming the channel. If you want to view all of the channels available with your cable package instead, tap the list icon, and then tap the Guide button. Enjoy the convenience of using your ELAN user interface to stream your favorite TV channels. For additional questions regarding TV streaming, contact your ELAN integration professional.